Hello student, in this second video we discuss about our person setting in Google AdSense and account information. So first we have discussed about account information. So click on account information and you will see your publisher ID. It is very important and it is only for your purpose. And from here it is your customer ID, and from there you have also set your time zone. My time zone is Karachi, Pakistan, and from here you have see your active products. When you have shared your content, and from here you have see your active products. My active products, my content mean publisher revenue and search 51% publisher revenue share. From my content revenue I have received 68% revenue share. For example, if I have generated $100 from Google AdSense from my website, so Google pay me $68 and $32 his Google revenue, and from search 51% is my revenue and 49% is Google revenue. From here you have also choose your seller information visibility. If you have your information is visible, so you choose transparent, and if you have not visible, so you choose confidential. And it is my business domain, you also change, and my account status is open. And from here you have closed your Google AdSense account if you have want. So it is our account information. And from here personal settings, click on personal settings. From here you have changed your personal settings. First you have login email, you will also change from login email. From here click on this and contact email and choose your contact email and save information. And it is my contact detail, my first name and my last name, and it is my mobile phone number. You will also change your mobile phone number from here, and it is your email preference. So choose this to email preference, account update, and also select this one, special offer. And from here you have change your display language. So I have select English language, United States, and from here you have choose any language from here as you want. And it is enough for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.